Hey guys, welcome back. Today Oneplus is rolling out a new update for their Oneplus 6 and 60 users. For Oneplus 6 it is Open Beta 13 and for Oneplus 60 it is Open Beta 5. I received this update via OTA as I was already running on beta program. But if you guys haven't received it and if you are running on stable version, then you can download the zip file given in the description below and do a local upgrade. The update size on both the devices is 353 MB if your device bootloader is logged. But if your device bootloader is unlocked, then you will receive a complete zip file that will be around 1.7 GB. The entire process of installation will take around 8 to 9 minutes. My device have been successfully updated. Let me show you the software information by going to settings, about phone, and here you can see Oxygen OS Open Beta 5. This is my Oneplus 60. Going under Android version is Android 9, and we still have the Jan security patch, that is 1st Jan 2019, wherein the build date is 25th Feb. This is not a huge update. Few improvements have been done related to system, clock and phone application. Under system they say general bug fixes and improvements. Then clock, fix laggy while setting alarm. Yes, there was an issue with the alarm. Whenever I used to set alarm, like this notification used to be delayed. But now as you can see, as soon as I turn on my alarm, I get the notification. On the previous update, it used to take 2 to 3 seconds to display that notification. Then under phone application, it says improved stability for video calls. I normally don't use this video calling feature, which is like they have integrated Google Duo inside the phone application itself, which seems to be a nice feature. But if you guys are not aware about this feature, previous updates Oneplus have integrated Google Duo inside the phone application itself to make direct calls using phone application. But for this, both the parties should have this Google Duo available on their phone. So guys, these are the changelogs what they have mentioned about the latest open beta for Oneplus 6 and 60. Other than this, I did not find any kind of noticeable changes. Slight upgradation have been done with the camera application now, which is 3.0.21. Previously it was 3.0.16. About the battery backup, I'll be updating you guys by today evening. And on the previous update, with the normal use also, my device used to heat up a lot. I'll also update you guys whether that issue has been fixed with this latest update or not. Now moving on to the benchmark results with Geekbench application and Antutu Bench application. With Geekbench application, single core have scored 2402, wherein multi-core have scored 8958. And with Antutu benchmark application, device have scored 2,95,148. So guys, this was all about the latest open beta for Oneplus 6 and 60. If you have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.